Hi, okay, this is a quick video. If you have a problem with your keyboard in Windows 11 not working or randomly working, the situation with mine, which is on a Lenovo, is that I power it up, the keyboard isn't working, the actual touchpad seems to work, but the rest of the keyboard is not working. I repower it, restart it, then the keyboard starts working. Then I've turned it off, come back to it again, turn the computer on, it doesn't work. Again, restart, it works. So it's a software issue as such rather than a hardware issue in my case. And I know there's various other solutions out there, but this is the one that worked for me. So first of all, we're gonna go to the control panel. I'm just gonna here and search. I want us to start typing control, and there's control panel. So click on control panel. Then we are going to click on hardware and sound. And under power options, I'm going to click on change what the power buttons do. Now here at the bottom here, shutdown settings, you'll see here turn on fast startup. Now initially my one was ticked on, so I've already changed mine. But what you want to do is turn it off and untick it. And if you click on it, nothing seems to happen. But that's because all of this is grayed out. But if you go up here, change settings that are currently unavailable, click on that. Then this all livens up. And if it was ticked, you want to untick it. Go to save changes, click on that, repower your computer, and see if that solved your problem. Now, if that's helped you out, please put a like or even a comment or both on this video. I don't get monetized, I don't make money from it. And that's about it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.